Would you be able to do that? To focus more on your dreams rather than falling in love or chasing girls? Let me tell you this, my friend. The first thing is you are already on the way of doing it the moment you ask question. I am actually at the same exact place right now. And I'm going to tell you this. I'll do it and you'll do it as well. But you need this two things. One, perseverance. No matter what the results look like, you put in the hard work. Growth is an accumulation of your everyday labor. Two, awareness. Understand yourself, your surroundings, and where you want to be. It's okay to start all over again. Completely all right to start from zero, but it's not all right to stay there. You are capable of doing extraordinary things when you believe in it. Understand who you are. What are your strengths? What are the things you need to improve? Spend less time on things that bring you momentary happiness and instead invest on learning actual life skills. Instead of hanging out on a bar on Saturday evening, get yourself a couple of beers. Instead, learn a new skill or just sharpen your knowledge on something you already know. Avoid the alcohol as much as possible. What I'd like you to do right now is think about your dream. Imagine it vividly. Let me share something that has profoundly impacted my life. I believe that the dreams we have are given to us for a reason, to accomplish those very dreams. No matter how unrealistic your dream might seem or how many setbacks you faced, know this: the dream you're holding in your mind is possible. Let's affirm this together. It's possible. Sometimes we can't say, I can do that, but we can say, it's possible, I can achieve my dream. As we pursue our dreams day by day, no one could have convinced me when I began over 6 years ago that I would achieve mine. Think about your dream because I was willing to take a chance, something most people hesitate to do. Many people play it safe. They raise a family, earn a living, and then they stop. But those who chase their dreams find a unique meaning in life. In the journey toward your dreams, expect disappointments, failures, pain, setbacks, and defeat. But in facing these challenges, you will discover things about yourself you never knew. You will realize that you have greatness within you, that you are more powerful than you can imagine, and that you are greater than your circumstances. You don't have to go through life as a victim. Imagine being on your deathbed and surrounded by the ghosts of your unfulfilled dreams, ideas, talents, and abilities. They are there, angry and disappointed, because only you could have given them life, and now they must die with you. If you were to die today, what dreams, ideas, talents, books, music, leadership, or voice would die with you? Miles Monroe once said the wealthiest place on the planet is not the oil fields of the Middle East or the diamond mines of South Africa. It's the cemetery. There lies untapped potential, unexpressed talent, and unrealized dreams. Henry David Thoreau captured this sentiment when he wrote, "Oh God, to reach the point of death only to realize that you've never lived." Imagine living your whole life only to discover that it was wrong, that you were meant to do something else, but you didn't act on it. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. I began working on my dream despite fears and doubts, and many people don't pursue their dreams because of fear of failure and fear of success. Others get comfortable, stop growing, and become cynical about life. They give up on themselves, their families, and their dreams because they don't feel worthy. What I'm doing now, I could have started years ago, but I didn't believe in myself. I let others' opinions control my destiny. I didn't act on my ideas. So, I applaud you for dreaming and for running toward your dream. I applaud you for believing in yourself, for life is about stretching, challenging, and improving yourself. As a result of pursuing my dream, I know that it's possible for you too. If you were to die today, what dreams, ideas, talent, books, music, leadership, or voice would die with you? I believe that nothing in life holds true value unless you're willing to take risks. Nelson Mandela once said, "There is no passion to be found in playing small and settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living." Throughout your journey in school, applying to college, choosing your major, and figuring out what you want to do with your life, you've probably been told to have a backup plan. Make sure you have something to fall back on, they say. However, I've never understood that concept. If I fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. At least this way, I can see what I'm going to hit. Consistency is key. Without it, you'll never finish what you start. Don't be afraid of failure. There's an old IQ test with 9 dots where you had to draw 5 lines connecting all the dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to succeed was to think outside the box. Similarly, don't be afraid to think creatively. Don't fear failure. In fact, aim for it. Dream big, but remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. Consider Reggie Jackson, who struck out 2,600 times in his career, the most in baseball history. Yet what people remember are his home runs, not his strikeouts. This teaches us to fall forward, Thomas Edison had 1,000 failed experiments before he succeeded in inventing the light bulb. It's the 1,001st attempt that changed the world. Each failure is a step closer to success. You must take risks. You've likely heard this advice before, but let's delve into why it's crucial. You will fail at some point in your life. This is a fact of life. Embrace it because it's inevitable. In the acting world, failure is a constant companion. You'll never know what you're capable of unless you stretch beyond your comfort zone. Be willing to fail. It's a stepping stone to success. Think of every failure as a lesson, a chance to improve and refine your approach. So dare to dream big and don't be afraid to fail big. Take that leap of faith. Understand that dreams without actionable goals remain just dreams. Set clear goals and work tirelessly towards them. Embrace each failure as a necessary part of your journey. Remember Reggie Jackson's strikeouts and Thomas Edison's failed experiments? They didn't define their careers, their perseverance and ultimate successes did. Always aim to fall forward, learn from every failure and keep moving ahead. Life's greatest achievements often come after numerous setbacks. Stay passionate, take risks, and never let the fear of failure hold you back. Embrace each challenge with a forward-thinking mindset. Keep pushing, keep dreaming, and keep striving. Your persistence and resilience will pave the way for your success. I kept failing repeatedly, but it didn't matter. To achieve something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. Imagine being on your deathbed and seeing the ghosts of your unfulfilled potential, the ideas you never acted on, and the talents you didn't use. These ghosts are standing around your bed, angry and disappointed, saying, "We came to you because you could have brought us to life, and now we have to go to the grave together." So I ask you today, how many ghosts will be around your bed when your time comes? The world needs a lot, and it needs it from you. We need it from you young people. You must get out there and give it everything you've got, whether it's your time, talent, prayers, or treasures. I'm not talking about how much you have. Some of you are business majors, theologians, nurses, sociologists. Some of you have money, patience, kindness, love, or the gift of long suffering. Whatever your gift is, what will you do with it? Now here's my final point about failure. Sometimes it's the best way to figure out where you're going. Your life will never be a straight path. It's about knowing what you know and what you don't know. The chances you take, the people you meet, the people you love, the faith you have. These are what will define you. Never be discouraged, never hold back, give everything you've got. And when you fall throughout life, remember this: fall forward.